Hello, this is Greg Becker with Comtorial. I'm going to show you how to edit the user profile in Moodle so you can share some information about yourself when you communicate with other users in the learning management system. David Madison logged into Moodle for the first time. The first order of business is to enter some personal information, confirm and update his email address, upload a picture, and enter some contact information. By default, David is directed to the Edit Profile page. To navigate to this page from anywhere else in Moodle, select the drop-down menu from the upper right corner of the screen. The Profile and the Preference pages each have a link that directs you to the Edit Profile page, so you can choose either one. For your convenience, I completed the General section so you don't need to watch me type. Only the first name, surname, and email address fields are required, as indicated by the red asterisks. The email display field has three options: hide my email address from everyone, allow anyone to see my email address, and allow only other course members to see my email address. David decides to allow everyone in his organization to see his email address. The next section allows a user to upload a picture, so you don't have to be represented by that generic icon that looks like a chess pawn. If your email address has an associated gravatar, then Moodle will automatically load that image for you. Otherwise, you can upload a picture by dragging and dropping a file from another folder. After entering a picture description, David is ready to move on to the Additional Names section. David realizes that he does not have any additional names, so then he moves on to the Interests section. Interests are entered one at a time, followed by a comma or the Enter key. Each item is then displayed above the text box as tags. Each of these tags is then visible for all other users to see, and a separate page is made that lists all users who share these interests. Therefore, it's a good idea to only enter interests that pertain to your organization. If you like skinny dipping, for example, it's probably a good idea to keep that to yourself. The Optional section lists fields for additional contact information and links to social network sites. David completes this section and selects Update Profile. Meanwhile, Maria Sacramento is another user who is currently logged into Moodle. She notices David from the Online Users block on her dashboard. She clicks on his name and is able to see his profile information and send an email message to him. This functionality is also available within courses, so participants are able to communicate with each other. Your user profile represents who you are and is an important feature for communicating and collaborating with the people in your organization.
Thanks for watching. Please contact Comtorial for any of your instructional design and e-learning needs.